Jane from Clark's Outdoors. Well, we all know the joy of having to spend time sweeping out your van because you're trapped in dirt and mud and sand. It's not much fun, and we like to leave that sort of thing at home, not when we're on holiday. So we have these really good artificial grass floor mats. So they just sit in front of your step, and they're really good for wiping your feet off on before you go into your van. They're also really super easy to clean. You just give them a shake out or a hose off and a shake out. Everything just washes clean, and then you just roll them up and pop them into your tunnel boot or wherever you store them. Makes life so much easier, and you don't have to spend as much time sweeping. Thanks for watching.